Welcome back to Product Critique, your source for in-depth product reviews. Today, we've got an exciting and unique board game to dive into. It's the DV Wonderbook, and it's taking the gaming world by storm. This is the best Wonderbook board game you can find on the market. Stick around as we explore its features and gameplay mechanics in detail. The DV Wonderbook is not your typical board game. It's a cooperative, narrative-driven adventure with a branching storyline and dungeon crawler mechanics. But what sets it apart is the game board itself, which is an interactive 3D pop-up book. Imagine playing a game where the world unfolds before your eyes as you progress through the story. Let's take a closer look at some of the key features of this wondrous game. Unique gameplay pop-ups. Each pop-up in the book introduces its own unique gameplay rules, creating an immersive experience. Your miniatures interact with the 3D pop-up scenery, adding depth to your adventure. Engaging storyline. Follow the story with each chapter's deck of cards. The game introduces you to various paths, and your choices truly matter. With the keyword system, the game remembers your decisions, shaping your journey. Dynamic combat. The game includes a deck designed to manage enemies' behavior. No two battles feel the same as you delve deeper into the story. Worms provide a challenge with evolving rules, so strategy is key. While your hero boasts powerful attacks and abilities, victory requires teamwork. Coordinate with your fellow players to overcome challenges and adversaries. You can find this fantastic game on Amazon, and there's some good news: it's currently available at a discounted price of just $65.54. Down from the list price of $89.99. Plus, if you order now, you can have it delivered to your doorstep between December 13th and 29th. Perfect for a holiday gaming session. But wait, there's more. If you're looking to expand your gaming collection, you can bundle this game with the Helvetic Bandito card game for just $12.99, making it a total of $77.50 for both. That's a fantastic deal for hours of gaming fun. In conclusion, the DV Wonderbook is a captivating, story-driven board game that offers a unique and immersive gaming experience. With its pop-up book design, engaging storyline, and dynamic gameplay, it's a must-have for board game enthusiasts and families alike. That's it for today's review of the DV Wonderbook. If you're interested in adding this masterpiece to your board game collection, be sure to check the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more exciting product reviews and recommendations. Thanks for joining us, and we'll see you in the next video.